Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can convert a text into a path in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So start by inserting a text box into your artboard here on Adobe Illustrator. Let me go with that example text here. Let me also highlight it and resize it a bit so that we may see the effects. So click into the select tool in the top left. Select your text box. Now you can move your text box if you like, but this is still a text box, not a path. So what you want to do, guys, is select object here from the top, and click into expand. Confirm by clicking into OK here, apply object and fill. And now if I zoom in, you will see that if we switch to that select tool here in the top left, direct selection, you will see that if we zoom even more into it, that this text now has these anchors, and you can use these as paths, for instance. So now you can customize the appearance of each object by clicking into these anchors, by clicking into the given path, and yeah, that way use or customize and edit the text as a path, not as a text box anymore. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.